is a friend of mine's products. Her name is Lauren. This is from LeBain. And I can't wait to get in here, guys. Oh my gosh, it smells so stinking good. It smells so awesome. We've got a sample pack of a bunch of different soaps. Look at how nice that is. What else have we got here? Oh, this is tied so pretty. Bain Soapery. And there's our card. And let's just, oh, I like how this is all wrapped up. That is so cute. Oh, this smells amazing. I don't know what this is, but it smells amazing. Oh, Stephy, I think I'm in love. Definitely a luxury, pure seduction. Yum. There's a good. Do you love it? Isn't that beautiful? And it is a nice beefy bar. Now there should be a soap on a rope in here that I ordered. I hope so. I hope so. I think I found it. I did, and it is massive. Holy cow. This is like the size of almost 3 bars of soap, or at least 2 really big bars. Holy cow, Steffi. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, I'm going to be hanging this in my shower right away. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got pretty. We got tons of samples. And a letter to Jen just for me. Oh, I love it. I've got another one here. What have we got here? Oh, I like the jute. I really like that. That is super cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The Bain Soapery. Heavenly. Oh, that does smell good. These are very soapy, very strong scents. They're wonderful. And there's one more here. Check out that. Isn't that fun? Let's see what we've got. Oh, another chunky one. This is just what I ordered. It's beautiful. Check that out. And this one is called Sea Minerals Coconut Milk Soap. Ooh, I want to open that up, but I have to save it. There is something cute and pretty under there. Pretty. This is a nice slab. Yeah, that's really awesome. That is so beautiful, Steffi. Steffi from LeBain. Let's see if I can read this. I won't read anything personal, just a little note. So many times you buy things from people and you don't get any kind of feedback. You just get what you order, and it's a little bit of a letdown because that personal touch from handmade products makes it so much nicer. And I got her autograph too. Look, I got Steffi's autograph. You've got beautiful handwriting, hon. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this was a Lush Fund unboxing. I did it in my kitchen because I was just so excited and had to get it done. Want to get it out. This is why I actually did have to buy this, Steffi, and I'm so glad that I got one. This is my favorite of them all. And this one is a really close second, but I wish I knew what was under there. Now I have to pull it back. One of these items will be going in the end of the year draw, the Lush Fund draw at the end of the year. So if you enjoy these little moments of me supporting my fellow soap makers, please go and support them too. It's how we stay making soap. As beautiful as they are, please use them, because then we'll just make you more. We will. We really will. A lot of us, like myself, will do an entire bar if that's what you want, something special. Keep good notes and we know what we're doing. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this Lush Fund moment. For those of you who don't know what a Lush Fund is, I take the money that I would have spent at Lush, which is one of my favorite stores, And I spend it on handmade soap makers from different parts of the world. This time we went to Louisiana and Stephy Jones. All right, and she is at LeBain Soapery at Soaping It Up. There's her contact information if you want to get something locally. And she's online as well. She's here on YouTube, and I will put a link in the below, in the description below. All right, so go give Steffi some love. I absolutely adore everything I've gotten here. Thank you, Steffi, and thank you for all the wonderful samples. I'm so excited. Bye for now, guys. One more little thought to share with you. I just thought I'd take a moment to show you how to enjoy these more fully. So there's a couple things that you can do, and I'm going to show you too. So these are for my own use, so I'm not worried about touching them. That smells good. Just find a couple of the same. So there's two like that. Now you can just take these to the gym with you and use the whole thing. Or you can get these at the dollar store and you put them in here. And then you've almost got like a full bar because you can hold on to that and then hang it up to dry. Okay, so this is a really great way to share your soap. That can even go into a soap card if you wanted to. If you don't want to slice them super thin and you've got a nice chunky card, that's another way to do it. And then, so you have a super pretty one like this. Here's a purple one. Just separate that. That is super, super, super soft. So you can almost do soap dough with that. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm actually going to slice it really, really thinly. So I'll use some things that you probably have at home. So I'm just going to make little leaf. That one's not working as well as I'd like. Let's see. See if we can get a nice size slice. There we go. So you take these and you let them all dry out. Okay. And then you put them in a little container. And you have handmade soap that you can use in a public place. They're called soap leaves. All right. And these are just the right size to wash your hands once. All right. Do you see how I did that? Let's try something else. This is very, very soft. It's a little easier if the soap's not quite that soft. Let's try my cheese cutter. Cheese cutter works too. The thing is, you want them like paper, paper, paper thin. That even works better. Here we go. Now we can get our mojo going. So I've got single serving soaps, like dozens and dozens from one little tiny piece that I can take to the gym or to the mall with me or just out. Now, why would I want something like this? Well, the commercial soaps in the stores actually make me get a horrible rash. So I am quite sensitive to cheap detergents. So I'm not a fan of them at all. In fact, I'm a little afraid to use soap in a public place because most people, well, most big corporations don't care whether or not the product itself is very gentle. So I do something like this, and I'm going to do this all up, and then I'm going to put it in a little container. I like to use tins, a little tin, and I'll show you my tin. And then I'll put that in my purse. And then I can wash my hands if I need to wash them with soap. And I can do little pieces, even smaller pieces, or nice big ones. So I can do my whole body at the gym with one of those bigger ones there. and just do my hands with one of these little ones. Or I can use two if I need it. I don't, you know, it's my soap. I can use it however I want to. So if you're lucky enough to get a big bag of samples from Steffi, and she's a generous soul, so I wouldn't put it past her, but don't quote me and don't expect it. But even just one little square like that, look at how much you can do with it. And there we go. Now you can make little soap balls, or you can just leave them as soap leaves. I prefer the leaves, and I'm going to let these dry at least overnight, maybe a little bit longer. And I'll just run and get the tin so you can see what kind of tin I use for my purse. Alright, so I'm going to use this great big old tin for these. So I'm probably going to put more in here. They're going to get dry. And then I'll be able to use them when I need one. Awesome. How fun is that? Now you can, you know, cut them into little shapes and make them super fancy, or you can just cut them up and have them ready to go for single use. So thank you, Steffi, for your scraps. See what you can do, guys? And this will be in my shower probably. This is going right in, guys. And it'll last probably a month with my 6 kids and everybody, because handmade soap lasts so long. It really does. It's awesome stuff. All right, I'm going to leave that open. Sorry, I should close it. I need to keep it open. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this Lush Fun moment and making the most out of the beautiful things that are available online from around the world. And these come from Louisiana. So get down to Louisiana and buy yourself some. Their colors, isn't that beautiful? Very, very gorgeous soap. Thank you again, Steffi. Bye for now, guys.